Hello and welcome to the Day 2 Yoga Snack. 5 minutes to release and reset your shoulders. Are we ready? Let's get started. In any easy cross-legged variation, you can do this either on the chair or on the bed. Let's get started. Now, relax your shoulders first. Let's start with shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders towards your ears. Inhale. Exhale, drop them down. 2 more times. One last time, hold here, breathe in, pause, and then exhale. Open your mouth, a sigh out, and then release. Now, let's place your hands on the top of your shoulders. Lift your elbows so that your elbows are parallel together. Now, with your next breath in, lift your elbows all the way up, and then going out, back, and then down. Repeat this 4 more times. Forward, up, out, back, down. 3 more times. Really working with the breath. Relaxing your shoulders all the time. One final time. And then release your hands. Now, clasp your hands right behind your head. Let me turn to the side so that you can see me clearly. Now, you're not applying any pressure here. Just gently place your hands right behind your head. Inhale, open your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades, arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine, elbows coming together, chin to chest, pull the navel in. Repeat this 4 more times. Inhale to open, expanding. Exhale to pull everything back in. Go at your own pace. When you round, pause and breathe. Fill the space between your shoulder blades and at the back of your neck. 3, 2, 1. And then release. Raise your hands. Let me turn towards you so that you can see me clearly. Now, extend your arms in a T shape out. Palms facing ceiling, shoulders are relaxed. Now, initiating the circle from your shoulder, turn your palms forward, down towards back. Your thumb is moving in these directions. And then reverse the circles. Repeat this at least 5 to 6 times. Slow and controlled movements we are aiming for. Exhale to go down and back. Inhale to opening. 3 more times. Always remember to initiate the circle from the shoulder girdle, which is efficient in lubricating and strengthening your shoulder girdle. One last time. And then release your arms, shake them off. Now, one last strength move. Cactus your arms, bend your elbows in 90-degree. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Lift your chest up. Maybe gaze up. Exhale, release. 3 more times. Feel the shoulder blades are getting squeezed as you open. One last time. Hold and breathe here for 3, 2, 1, and then release. Shake your shoulders in any way that makes you feel comfortable, and then observe the sensations at your shoulders, maybe it's in your arms. Okay, that was the Day 2 yoga snack. So comment below which pose felt most in your shoulders. Always come back to this video whenever you feel tightness in your shoulders. Namaste. See you and take care.